We took kids that probably would have been working in 7-Elevens and they were making $10 million a year at the age of 22.
Picture Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street. He is sitting in his massive office, phone in hand, closing deal after deal. The guy is relentless, hungry for more, chasing wealth like it's his only mission in life. Now, imagine yourself in that same scene. But this time, instead of trading stocks, you're making moves in real estate. The phone rings. It's your agent telling you about a new property hitting the market. You don't hesitate. You see the potential, the cash flow, the long-term gains. And just like that, you're not just investing, you're building a real estate empire, one deal at a time. The adrenaline kicks in, but this isn't a gamble. It's a calculated investment that grows your wealth steadily, just like the pros do. You don't need Wall Street to get a taste of that life. Welcome to Real Estate Investing 101, where we'll show you how to turn every property into your next power move. Ready to make your money work for you? Let's get started. First things first, why real estate? What makes property such an attractive investment? Think about it. No matter what happens in the stock market, the economy, or global events, one thing remains constant. People need places to live, work, and do business. That means real estate will always have demand. It's a tangible asset that appreciates over time. Unlike stocks or cryptocurrencies, real estate is something you can touch, see, and improve. But the real beauty of it, it's versatile. You can earn money from renting out a property, flipping it for a profit, or even through commercial real estate. And here's the kicker. You can often use other people's money to get started. Ever heard of mortgages? Exactly. Leveraging other people's money through a loan means you don't need to be a millionaire to get into the game. With the right strategies, you can build wealth using properties that appreciate over time while earning you passive income along the way. So, now that you know why real estate is a solid investment, let's break down the different types of real estate you can invest in. Because real estate isn't just about buying a home and hoping it goes up in value. There's way more to it than that. Residential real estate. This is the most common type of real estate investment and includes single-family homes, duplexes, and apartments. You can buy these properties, rent them out, and generate steady income from tenants. Simple enough, right? Commercial real estate. Think office buildings, retail stores, and warehouses. These properties are typically more expensive, but offer larger rental incomes and longer-term tenants. Businesses need space, and that's where you come in. Industrial real estate. While it might not sound glamorous, industrial real estate includes factories, storage units, and distribution centers. With the rise of e-commerce, this sector is booming. Think of all those Amazon warehouses popping up everywhere. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Don't want to deal with the headache of managing property? No problem. You can invest in REITs, which are companies that own and operate real estate. It's like buying shares in real estate without having to own the property directly. Great for beginners who want to dip their toes into the market. House flipping. You've seen it on TV. A rundown house gets transformed into a beautiful home, and bam, the investor flips it for a huge profit. House flipping is all about buying low, fixing up, and selling high. But remember, it's not as easy as it looks. Timing, costs, and market trends play a huge role. Alright, now that we've got the basics down, let's talk about how you can get started in real estate investing. You don't need a ton of money to begin, but you do need a solid plan. Set your goals. Before diving in, ask yourself, what do you want from real estate? Are you looking for a long-term investment to build equity? Or do you want to flip properties for quick profits? Defining your goals will help you choose the right type of real estate investment for you. Set a budget. How much money can you realistically afford to invest? If you're just starting out, that might mean buying a smaller, more affordable property or investing in REITs. Don't forget to factor in costs like down payments, maintenance, and unexpected repairs. Research the market. Real estate is all about location, location, location. A great property in a bad area won't generate the returns you're hoping for. Look for markets with growth potential, good job opportunities, and rising property values. Build your network. In real estate, connections are key. Get to know local real estate agents, property managers, and contractors. These people can provide valuable insights and even help you find properties before they hit the market. But hey, let's be real. Real estate isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Like any investment, it comes with risks, and it's important to understand them before you jump in. Market fluctuations. The real estate market goes through cycles. Sometimes it's a seller's market, sometimes a buyer's. If you buy at the wrong time or overpay, it can take years to recoup your investment. Hidden costs. Don't let the price tag fool you. Real estate comes with a lot of hidden costs. Property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and repairs can eat into your profits if you're not careful. Vacancies. If you're investing in rental properties, there's always the risk of vacancies. That's why it's important to have a cushion of savings for the months when you're between tenants. The good news: if you do your homework, plan carefully, and build a solid strategy, these risks can be managed. Remember, every investor faces challenges. It's how you handle them that separates successful investors from the rest. Now, let's talk about the real reason you're here: building wealth through real estate. Real estate is a long-term game, but the rewards can be life-changing. Over time, your property appreciates in value. You build equity with every mortgage payment, and if you're renting it out, you've got passive income coming in. Think of it this way: while stocks and bonds might give you returns, real estate gives you more control. You can renovate, increase rents, or hold onto a property until the market is in your favor. This control, combined with the power of leveraging other people's money, can lead to massive wealth over time. So, there you have it, your introduction to real estate investing. From flipping homes to renting out apartments or even investing in commercial spaces, real estate offers endless opportunities for building wealth. The key is to start small, stay educated, and take calculated risks. If you're ready to make your first investment, the best time to start is now. Get your goals in place, do your research, and start building your real estate portfolio